In this video, we are going to show you how to use Poppy AI for strategic planning. Now, if you want to plan something before an event or a meeting or a project, for this example, we have a Google Sheet here, not really a Google Sheet, a Microsoft Excel document over here of a list for an upcoming horse sale, right, from Japan. This is 2026. Now, if I want to sift through, it has a couple hundred entries, and I don't want to sift through everything, and I want to strategically plan to shortlist this and just choose the ones that I want to look at, the horses that I want to look at. You're gonna have to brainstorm yourself on what you want, right? And then after that, you can just feed Poppy AI. For this example, I'm gonna say, I want you to create a short list in a form of a table using the document connected, and add the entries that only have European dams sired by Hida-san Black, for example, right? And then press enter. So it's just going to sift through the over 200 plus entries that has a European dam or mother, right? So it's going to go through all the entries, right? There you go. And see whether or not we can get something. And as you can see here, we have a short list here, right? There we go. So we have, and as you can see here, it's like one, two, there's several, there's a lot, right? So 11 entries match the criteria. So now we have a table, a short list of horses we want to look at. You can do this in any other project, whatever it is that you want to plan for. And after that, you'll be just good to go. Just copy this to a document, and now you can just check out these horses, whatever it is that you're shortlisting, right? And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.